Hello everyone, today I wanted to make a video to share with you how you can create a mud kitchen for children to have them playing outside for hours. So this is a little mud kitchen area that I've created for my children and they absolutely love it. They will play out here for hours on end from summer to fall to winter. In the summer they'll make mud pies and mud cookies and soups, all types of things. In the winter they'll still play with it to make snow pies and all types of things. So I can't wait to share with you how I created it. So I have children ranging from 9 years old all the way down to 1. So I have two sections here. I have one for the older kids and one for the little kids. So here in the middle I have an umbrella, and I'll link below where I got it. It provides nice shade in the summer when it's very sunny. So this is an old gardening table that I gave to the kids so that they can use as their mud kitchen, and is holding up very well even with the weather here, which is pretty extreme sometimes. And so over here I have stickers, and these stickers are to resemble burners and they're waterproof, and I'll link those below. I got them from Amazon. And then I have different pots and pans and coffee pots that I got off the Goodwill. You just go to the Goodwill and you'll find so many things for so cheap for the kids' mud kitchen. The kids are always collecting things from nature. Right now we're in spring, so they don't have a lot of flowers for their mud pies, but they have little grass things and weeds, and some things started flowering up. They have miniature pine cones and different clippings from the grass and pine needles and dirt, and they use that to create their mud cookies or mud pies. Then over here I have different utensils that they use. I like having scissors out here because they use it to cut different things to bring to their mud kitchen. Down here they have the mud that they collect, and then they have rocks that they collect as well. Then I have a container to make cupcakes in, so they can use to make mud cupcakes. All of these things, of course, are just not edible. They're just all for pretend play. The kids absolutely love it. Over here I have logs from an old fence that we created, and the kids kept a few of those pieces. So this little portion over here is for my little kids that are 1 and 2 years old. It's pretty short, so I have 2 concrete blocks that we put on top of each other, and then we have 2 pieces of wood on the top. As you can see, 2 pieces of wood, and they are held together with a brass. My husband made it for us, and then it just lays on top and it's very sturdy. The kids love it. Then over here we have 2 little pieces of the wood from the fence that we created, and then on top they put a piece of wood on top to make a little shelf on top. They thought about the idea all on their own. They created their own little things. Then over here we have what is used for pies, but they're using it as burners so that they could put the little pots on top. This bottom portion, they also use it as an oven, so they put their mud pies in here. And they love using it as an oven, a pretend play oven. Over here we have a little table, and it's just a crate, and then they put a little piece of a beautiful cloth on it, and they just pretend using it as a table to bring their items to it. For the little ones, I have a little spray bottle. I have some miniature pine cones that they use, some dirt that they can take from to make their mud pies or their soups, whatever they want to make, some wooden spoons. A lot of these things, again, I got them from the Goodwill for so cheap, and they absolutely love it. Over here I have something that they could crush things with. This is, I don't even know where we got this from, but they use it for crushing things. And now I'm gonna go ahead and record my kids playing here a little bit so that you can get to see how they play in their mud kitchen. All right, everyone. So thank you so much for watching us today in our mud pies. The kids have made some wonderful things. Right? You guys want to say bye? And Lukey, say bye. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time.